Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make a poster using Canva AI step by step. And yes, beginners can do this in minutes. So step one is search Canva AI, and you're going to want to click the first one that says Canva AI, your all-in-one AI assistant. You click that and it'll take you to this page, and you click try Canva AI, and it will take you to where Canva AI is. Now, in this search bar, search make a poster about. You could do whatever you want. I'm just going to do climate change, and I'll send it through. So now it will give us a few designs to pick from. So as you can see, it says gathering some ideas, and once it has done this, you can obviously customize your poster. You can change the headline text. You can add event details if you're making like an invitation. You could replace images or icons. You could adjust the colors or fonts. You could do anything you would like. So as you can see, they made one so far. Let's wait for the other ones. Okay, so now we'll just pick which one we like the most, and I think I like this one the most. So you can either ask AI to change it for you, or you can click here, that's at the top that says use Canva editor. Click that and it will take you to regular Canva, and now you can change it. You can change it by changing the colors, the fonts, whatever you like. Once you're done, you can save it as a PDF or a PNG, or you can print it or email it to someone, and that's it. You've just created a professional poster using Canva AI, fast, easy, and free. Thank you for watching. Bye.